is going to be an almost personal reading, all that you need to know about your person. So let's start. I hope you guys are doing well. So what is going on with you guys? Okay, right now with Four of Swords, I see you focused on healing yourself. I don't see you doing much activity that is in terms of your relationship. You guys chasing someone. No, I see you holding back. I see you just focused on yourself. I see you relaxed. Okay, or trying to relax. Okay, one more card. What else do we see happening in your life? Soulmate twin flames for the next 72 hours. With Six of Pentacles, I believe there is someone in your life who is giving you attention, okay, but it may not matter much to you, okay. Even if it's the past person who you were focused on once in like once in the past, I believe you are not so focused on them, and the attention doesn't really mean what it used to mean. Okay, one more card. What else do we see? You might not have their whole attention, but at the same time, it doesn't really matter if they are present or not. Right now you're just focused on yourself, just focused on the balance, just focus on getting back to life. Okay, I know the past couple of months has been difficult for all of you who think that they are in a twin flame connection or soulmate connection, and right now you guys are wanting to just do things for yourself, okay, like fixing yourself, just wanting to hold on to yourself, not really wanting to chase someone who is not wanting to be chased or not wanting to be loved by you, okay. So I think right now you are being practical, like super duper practical, and you guys are just holding back, okay. In terms of the connection, what is happening in terms of the connection, spirit? With the Temperance card, I believe things are much better than what it used to be. The Temperance card, I also believe things might be wishy-washy, but it's still better than what it used to be. In the past, there might have been nothing. Right now, there is something, not much, but something. Okay, one card for your person. Like, what are they going through? What's your person going through? Empress. One more card. Why is the Empress here? How are they thinking about you? Okay. I also see this person entirely focused on themselves. Okay, this person is very much trying to, make a life for themselves, make a good possible image for themselves, and they are very cautious of, like hurting their image. So, if at all they are married, if at all they're in another relationship, if at all they look at themselves in a certain way and they have to get out of their way to be with you, then they might not be ready for that. Okay, so suppose your person is religious and you guys have religious differences or cultural differences or whatever differences, they are not ready to completely cut out of that. They might still be giving you attention, but they're not willing to compromise. Okay, they are still wanting to hold on to who they are. Okay, one more card in terms of their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you? I mean, they are still talking to you, but it seems like a casual conversation. Okay, nothing much to be excited about. In terms of intention with the Strength card, they are they are only giving to a point. They are not over giving, or they are not giving the way you'd want them to give. Okay, they are still like holding back a lot, I'd say. Even if there is communication, it is not what you wanted. Okay, one card for in terms of their energy. What's their energy like towards you? Lots of major arcana cards here, so for some of you this might be a complete twin flame reading. So in terms of action, they are wanting to be in control of the situation now. You would notice that this person messages you but doesn't chase you. Even if they message you and you don't reply, they don't chase you or they don't ask questions. They behave like they are fine whether you reply or not. They are not trying to make you feel like they are vulnerable, or they are like wanting you, anything like that. No, they are messaging you, yes, but at the same time they want to be in control. One card for in terms of action, spirit. One card for where this person wants to take things now. What action do they want to take towards you? The Devil card. One more for what does the devil mean here? Okay, just like I told you, they are not willing to overgive or possibly compromise in order to get back. They are wanting to hang around. That is all I see in terms of their intention. This person is wanting to hang around. Okay, they are not wanting to entirely commit to you or entirely give in to this connection. You would notice that they are behaving like a devil. That they are only here because of themselves. They are only here because they want you around. They can't really feel at peace without you. And it's I wouldn't necessarily say it's out of love. It's out of being selfish. That I mean they just want you around. Okay, this could be sexual as well for some of you. Like they just want physical intimacy or something like that. In terms of their feelings, however, how do they feel for you now? In terms of the feelings, how do they feel for you? Eight of Wands. One more card. Ace of Wands. So I see a lot of sexual feelings here. I also see this person trying to flirt sexually. There could be sexting involved. Okay, some of you, this person might try with the devil, the ace, and the eight of wands here to get kind of sexual with you. This could be physical, or this could be through text or through calls. Okay, you know your things better. You know what your person likes better. So the your person has the like it in mind, like to kind of get things sexual with you. Okay, one card for what's happening in their hate space. What's happening in their hate space? Yeah, with Page of Wands, they mostly want to communicate. They want to message you. They want to start that flirting. They want to start getting things sexual. So they might try to seduce you. To be very honest. Okay. One more card for like what's their purpose of holding on? What's their major purpose of holding on? Wheel of Fortune. They do not want you to get away. They still want this circle or this cycle to possibly continue. They still want this to move forward in whichever terms. Okay, one more card for how do they view you now? How does this person view you? Okay, one more card. Okay, for some of you, I'll be honest, for some of you, this person is trying to friend zone you or has been friend zoning you. You guys did have something in the past though, okay? This wasn't a completely friendly connection. At some point in the past, you guys were more than friends, okay? I do not mean in a sexual way, I mean in an emotional way, okay? It has like it was there, something happened, and now this person is just trying to stay friends. Reason being, they want to stay in contact, they want to still maintain that friendship. Okay, so the purpose would be to hang around, to still hold on. Okay, one card for like do they want this connection to move forward towards marriage, at least for the next, let's take 7 days? Like do we see them having any intentions as such? Moon card, they do not know. Okay, they are very confused about it. They have their own fears, they have their own doubts, they have no clarity whether they even want this thing to move forward in terms of what would they want with you now. What does this person want with you now? Right now with five of pentacles, they are only willing to have a tangible connection. They are not really willing to possibly build on it. Okay, they are wanting to hold on to it. They are willing to give something to keep it alive in some which way. Okay, one card for what's this person hiding? What's this person hiding from you? Okay, so please clarify. This person, I believe, with seven of pentacles, they are still holding on to you. Okay, you may think that they have moved on, or they have got away, or they have been getting away, but no, I still think that this person is still waiting on you. But I do want to remind you, they do not know whether they want this connection to move forward towards marriage. Okay, they just want to keep things sexual, keep things casual. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How does this person, in terms of partner, how do they truly view you? With the mention card, they are still very interested in you. Okay, sometimes I believe they feel that they might lose a really good opportunity, a really good option. Okay, and they do not want to do that with the Wheel of Fortune and the Magician card. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards the connection, like what are their intentions towards the connection now? See, to be honest, they want to hang on to it. Okay, they might not want to necessarily put in that effort to push things forward in a positive like direction, but they still want to hold on to it. Okay, one more card for what's this person hiding? Is there third party involvement in some which way, spirit? I do believe this person was kind of focused on someone else. They had plans of going forward in that connection, but it necessarily did not work for them. Okay, they are still lost without you. I believe whatever they've done to you, the karma hit back at them. Okay, right now they are in a much vulnerable condition than you. Compared to you, you're much better. You're focused on yourself. You're necessarily wanting to fix yourself. They might doing it out of ego, and you're doing it because you want to do it. Okay, one more card in terms of where things could be going, where things could be going in you and this person. Okay, with the Sun card, definitely many of you guys will get the necessary attention from this individual. Okay, with Four of Wands, there is an opportunity that you might even meet them in person or in physical. Okay, one more card. What do you need to know about this person? What do you need to know about this person? Okay, this person, I believe, has been silent for a long time. They haven't been telling you what's happening behind your back, but there is a possibility that this person, whatever they've been hiding, okay, that might come out in out in the open very soon. Someone could tell you something, or they could open up some certain secrets that they've been keeping from you. Okay, but something is definitely going to come out. Okay, I believe this person has been keeping secrets from you, and you know it. You can feel it. Your intuition tells you about it. Okay, one more card in terms of what do you need to know. What do you really need to know about this connection? We have, okay, we have sex only lacks depth. Okay, so this person right now might only want a sexual connection. They might not want to take like things forward in terms of a commitment. Okay, so this has been going on. You guys know it. Toxicity bound patterns. In no way I repeat my past readings. I don't continue from the past readings. Every reading is a new reading, and every reading will not resonate with you. Okay, no matter how good of a reader you think I am, but not every reading would resonate with you. So don't try to force it on yourself. Okay, one more card. Destiny, if it's meant to be. So they're basically going with the flow with the Moon card and the Wheel of Fortune. They are not necessarily forcing the changes. If it's meant to be, it's going to be. That's their mentality about the connection. Okay, so this is all I have for you for the next 72 hours. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. If you are a Libra, please do visit the Etsy store. I have extended for you next 72 hours. It's up for purchase. It's not up here. If you are a member, you'll get to watch it. However, on YouTube, all those who think that they are being smart by commenting that I was in the state 5 months back and the reading seems similar and this and that, darling, if you were in a space and you have moved on, there is no need to bloody watching a tarot reading. Tarot usually focuses on the past and what's not working. Tarot doesn't focus on what's going well. At least I don't focus on that. I'm someone who's just wanting to just focus on what's not working for you and how the fuck you need to get out of that. I am not focused on what's new coming, how is it's going to come your way, and what's going to happen with that. That is your bloody life. You should not depend on tarot for what new comes in your life. You have your own fucking intuition, you have your own brain, you have your own heart. Work on it. Don't let a tarot reading guide you about a new connection. Yes, past connection is difficult, that you could take help, you could get an insight, but in no which way you need to go 100% with tarot readings. They are just a guiding tool. I'm just a medium. Okay, I'm no god that you 100% rely on me. Okay, so that is all I have for you. And all those who want a personal reading, please do reach out and buy a book one for yourself. I have around 6 7 option, and I do have 5% off on all my readings. So if you want to buy one, you could buy one. I'm trying to give it back within 8 to 10 days. It's been difficult by the pending orders I've got, but yes, I'm trying. So that's all. Okay, I'm really sorry for keeping you waiting such long. And yeah, that's all, darling. See you soon.